Would Claude Monet be proud of my impressionistic painting of his garden in Giverny? Claude Monet was one of the pioneers of the Impressionism movement in the mid to late 1800s. The style of painting changed the way the world viewed art. I attempted multiple times to paint this scene of his pond where the Japanese bridge is located. The vibrant color diversity is what really caught my attention. I thought to myself, this is going to be a challenge. There were some important lessons I learned along the way. The uses of different brushes, how to use mediums, and to take the time to rest. One of the issues that I've been having lately is being too critical of myself and when it comes to my artwork. A great artist by the name of Jose Trujillo said something that I will never forget. He said, "The more that I stare at my artwork, the more that I hate it." That resonates so much with me because I can relate to that feeling. So it's best to let your art flow from your soul and onto the canvas and move on to the next piece. Don't think about it so much. Otherwise, you'll never be happy with it. There are some things that I learned on this recent journey. I learned that by using the different types of brushes for certain brush strokes and effects and using the mediums correctly, I was able to achieve a much better layering process. A process that I admire so much about the techniques of the old masters. I must remind myself that I am a self-taught artist with only about 2 years of experience. So I can't be too critical of myself when trying to achieve the same techniques as the masters. After all, they had been painting all their lives. Finally, I need to focus on painting a scene with my own unique impression. Only then will I truly enjoy my time painting. But what do you guys think? Would Monet himself enjoy my impression of his garden in Giverny? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.